Today we're going to talk about safely unpacking or setting up your AHSC14P portable heat pump. First step when you receive the unit is to check the contents before signing the carrier's paperwork. Make sure there's no damage. If there is, notify our office right away. As long as everything's good, you're able to sign the carrier's paperwork and unpackage the unit.
So when you get one of these new units, basically you just grab some scissors, cut these straps, and just dispose of the straps. And then just grab the box and just lift it straight up. And then it has a plastic cover on it. Just pull the plastic cover. And on top of the unit, you'll have an owner's manual, and it has two extra fuses on the inside. So if you end up hooking it up to the wrong power, low voltage, and it can blow your fuse, you have two extra fuses. And then on the back, you have your cord down here on the bottom. You just pull your cord out, plug it into an outlet. Basically, you just plug it in. We recommend to plug it straight into the outlet with its own dedicated outlet, or if you have to use an extension cord, use at least a 10 gauge extension cord, nothing smaller. So on here you can see the display is on. It's showing that the room temp is at 83 degrees, so you can just hit your power button and then there goes your AC. If you want to change it, you hit the sprocket symbol. Right there, it will show the room temperature with the little line going around in circles. That means the unit's on dehu mode for dehumidification. If you hit the sprocket again, it lowers the fan speed on your dehu mode. And then from there, it will go to heat. So basically, your room temperature is 84. You got to set your set temperature higher. Then the 84 for your heat to come on. But once you change it, it'll be about a 3 to 5 minute delay for your compressor to kick on. This being the heat pump, your heat will be coming out the front and your cold air will be coming out the top. So your air will be coming out the top, and normally it will have an exhaust flange on here with a duct that goes up to your ceiling, into the dead space up in your ceiling. And that's where all the air will go up to, and then your hot air will stay down below. You hit your sprocket again, it goes into auto mode, so you can set your cooling temperature at one point and your heat at another point. So depending on your temperature, it can keep it within that certain range. And then it'll go back to cooling. It'll show a little snowflake. And when the snowflake is on, your cold air will come out here, your hot air will come out the top. Once you turn it off, there will be a countdown, a 30-second countdown, and that's to allow your compressor to cool down before the unit actually shuts down.